So here we are this morning, about to get the motor out of the Boss, or the AU Boss, ready to put the Boss 260 in. We've got Cody with us, and we've got a new young man started with us today, Jack. Nigel's here, of course, and we're getting ready to drop this motor out. It's an exciting day. So we're getting close to the moment of truth here. Everything is disconnected, I believe, except for the Kframe underneath. So we're going to find something to block the motor down on, and then we're going to loosen off the Kframe and lift the body off it. What do you reckon, Cody?
It's going to be fun.
Sounds like a plan.
Yep.
Should I harass Jack with the camera yet?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. No. He's smiling. He's smiling. It's a good start. So see, we've got our struts out. Sway bars disconnected. We're pretty much ready to go, and it won't be long until that beautiful Boss motor over there is under this bonnet. Cody just wants to be in the blooper reel. Thanks, Cody. Doing the last couple of bolts now. And it won't be long until the old Intech comes out. Why Intech? Let's just have a look. Just having a bit of a look to see if there's anything still connected. The steering there is still connected. We'll have to get the pinch bar underneath it. It's happening, boys. It's about to come out. Cody loves his face on camera. He's going to be a movie star one day, can't you, Cody? I'm on camera all the time.
Yeah, I know. Turn around.
Cody wants my face to be on camera. I don't know why.
Behold the really, really annoying one that has bad dad jokes.
They're really annoying one that has bad dad jokes. I do. I have great dad jokes. We're talking about bad dad jokes. Out it's coming. There it stays. Gearbox is hooked up. Oh, we didn't take the gear stick out.
Hey, sledgehammer will do that.
We better take the gear stick out. Ah, dang. So you see this thing in here? That's called a gear stick, people. That's a gear stick, and we forgot to take it out.
We're just in the wrong gear. We just got to go in reverse for a bit.
Yeah, we needed to go on the down gear.
We're in the up gear. There you go, reverse.
There we go. We're in reverse. It should come out now. All right, take 7.
I think there's like 3.
Oh, just go a little bit, Nigel. That's it. We're clear. Up we go. We're good. It was just a gearbox, the gear stick popping down. Cody. Cody wants to be on camera instead of the car coming up. There we go. Out comes the 6. Hey, isn't that a good feeling, guys?
Yeah.
Love it. Cody's saying yes. Jack's first engine removal.
It's my first as well.
It's Cody's first engine removal. That's unreal.
It just died. Oh. That would really suck. That would die.
There we go. There's a hole in it. There's a hole in it. So there we are. There's our Intech sitting there on the floor, and there's our Boss patiently waiting over there.
Put me in there.
Right at the back there's our Boss. Oh, I can't wait. Now we've got half an hour until the kids go, so we're going to try and get this motor in the Boss and the Kframe bolted up.
It will.
Ooh. So Jack is just going to change over the gearbox mount there. This is the boss sitting underneath. We're hoping to lower the car down over it before the guys go home today in 20 minutes. Oh, going down. Going down. Down. Stop there and we'll have a look. Oh mate, it's gonna clear. Man, that is so close to being lined up. That is oh so close. It's been an absolutely awesome day with the kids today. There is the Boss 260, which is actually a 320 in this case because it's not 260 anymore. But there it is sitting in the AU, waiting to be hooked up. So we still got a bucket load of things we need to do. It actually went in really, really easy. Clearance wires and the Kframes bolted straight across between the AU and the BA. The gearbox cross member from the AU worked. So all that stuff bolted up. The ABS from the AU fits like perfectly. We've still got to change over the master cylinder and booster, and we've got to get all the electrical wiring to work, which is the biggest headache because we're planning to use the BA factory computer. But we have turned off the security and all that sort of stuff to make that happen. So yeah, it's come together really well. The kids have worked really hard today, and we honestly didn't think we'd have it in today, which is good. So on Thursday, we're going to do things like we're going to put the front end together. We're going to look at changing over the rear brakes to the brakes off the BA as well, and just start bolting it together so we can get it rolling around again. So we get it on and off the hoist, because we need to put misfire on there shortly. Yeah, so overall, a really good day today, and we can't wait to get this thing running and on the road. Anyway, we'll see you all later.